In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload bank statements in Xero, a popular accounting software. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for a larger team, keeping your records up to date is crucial, and Xero makes the process relatively straightforward. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're in, you should be directed straight to your Xero dashboard. This is your main hub where you can see a quick overview of your business finances and activities at a glance. It's a great starting point for all your accounting tasks. Now, from the dashboard, you'll want to navigate over to the Accounting tab. This section is essentially your toolkit for managing your finances within Xero, giving you access to a variety of features to help streamline your accounting process. Go ahead and click on Accounting, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Bank Accounts. Here you'll find a list of all the bank accounts you've linked to Xero. Spend a moment to identify and choose the specific bank account for which you wish to import a statement by clicking on it. This helps ensure that your statements are aligned with the correct account. After selecting the bank account, the next step is to manage the account settings. You'll want to click on Manage Account, and from the available options, select Import a Statement. This is where the true magic happens, importing your bank statement into Xero. Xero has designed this process to be quite intuitive, a relief for those of us who aren't accounting experts. When you're in the Import a Statement section, it's time to select the file you plan to upload. Click on Select File and browse through your device to find where you've saved your bank statement. A quick note to remember: make sure your file is in an acceptable format such as CSV or OFX, as these are the most commonly supported formats by Xero. Once you have the right file, click Open to begin the upload. After uploading the file, click Next to move forward. This step is important because it allows you to review the data you've just imported. Take a moment here to ensure that all your information is displayed accurately. If you've uploaded a CSV file, you might find that Xero prompts you to map the columns. This means you need to align your data properly with Xero's expected format, which ensures everything matches up correctly. Once you have successfully mapped the columns, click Next one more time to complete the import process. Now your bank statement is officially imported into Xero. The final crucial task is reconciling your bank statement lines with the transactions already recorded in Xero. This step is vital to ensure your accounting ledger is accurate and up to date. And there you go. Uploading a bank statement to Xero is an essential task that's made simple and efficient. Keep your financial records precise by regularly following these steps and enjoy seamless accounting management with Xero. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.